ki khubor ka bate se TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Ka North East Football Development Council kabala syong ya kajelang ha ka arpun retorek unaila rajab sau kalabu thong ban Kyntiew ya Ïalehkai Phutbol ha ka nigathan chatei lamingi jongkari India bat ban pelong biang ya ka lempung Ïalehkai Dr. TA Football Tournament ha ka state level. Hakani ka jelang bala pelong da ka Meghalaya Football Association la pentamairu ya ki nongkit kam jong ka North East Football Development Council na ka benta ka samoy trekam jong snam arajar arpsau arajar arpupra ha ka bala jet president ya Ïalehkai General Secretary Ukipa Ajay Senior Vice President Menla Ithanpa Vice President Uba Hamlet Sondoling Vice President Emratan Singh Treasurer Nebu Sikhos Assistant General Secretary Dr. Sangrang Bharma Katba ki Executive Member Kilong Amit Chaudhary Binel M. Lamthui Giben Kato LJ Roy Purba Sherpa Hiren Gogoi Lalreng Puya Bat Uba Cliff Nongrom.
To start with, Northeast Football Development Council was started not to compete against each other but to help each other. We particularly spoke about some states who are not as developed as the other states in terms of football. How can we help each other? There is no competition amongst us. It's a kind of a brotherhood which brings us together to uplift the game, beautiful game in this beautiful region of the northeastern part of India. But having said that, there are areas in which we feel that we can work together. Number one is we are contemplating whether we could start a dedicated league for the Northeast. We spoke about it, but it's still in the discussion stage. We cannot announce it as of now how we go about, and also what are the kind of format, what are the kind of investment, what are the kind of future it holds. That is still under consideration. We are still talking about it. Of course, it was one of the agendas this evening. We spoke about it. We are all very excited, but since it's early days, we do not want to, we do not want to kind of announce it as of now. But I will say that it's in the pipeline. So we want to start a league which is dedicated to Northeast. Number two, we spoke about continuing the already existing the Kyntiew football tournament. It was started in 2009. That time it was run by the Nefdc. So today we discuss about the Kyntiew tournament, which was last played in 2020. After COVID, we could not continue it anymore. So today we resolved that we speak to Nefdc and to Donor Ministry to try and find out how can we revive the Kyntiew. Number three is we want to request the All India Football Federation to name one of the All India Football Federation competition in the name of the Kyntiew, who was the first team captain of independent India. And also, not only that he was the team captain, he was a flag bearer of Indian Olympic, the whole contingent in which London Olympic. So I forgot the year, but I can 1948. So that was right after independence. So we have that person from Northeast. So if you go back to history, that time Northeast was under one rule only. So we can say that the Kyntiew represented all of us, not only Nagaland. He represented Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur. So we want, it's not our power. It's beyond our jurisdiction. But we want to request the All India Football Federation to name one of the tournaments on behalf of the first captain of independent India, the Kyntiew. Those are the points which we discussed today. And apart from that, what we discussed was that going forward, how can we help each other, not compete against each other. So that was in a nutshell what we discussed during the meeting today. And of course, we are very, very thankful to Meghalaya FA for hosting us. We discuss about it because this is a part of the proposed league format. This league, which is still in the pipeline, we are not announcing it now because we have to look for sponsor, we have to look for partners, we have to look for so many pragmatic questions still need to be answered. So it will be premature if I announce it now.
Yes.
But this league, if it is successful, the youth league will be very much a part of it. This will not be only senior league specific. So it will, it will have a package in which the youth league will also be included. In women football, we discussed the problem faced also, because it's not easy for all of us to manage a women's football team, especially the state team. We need to get the permission from the parents. Not easy for them to send out their daughters to represent a state and travel to down south sometimes, to far west and to North India. Yes, of course, India has lots of potential in women's football. Even our ranking is much higher.
Much higher than the men's team.
But having said that, we say that this is the region which has a lot of potential, but we have lots of problems as well. So we are sharing such a problem, but we do not have any concrete plan as of now how to take notice, women's football forward. But definitely that could be a part of the agenda in our next meeting.